Take a ride in the 2022 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, stability control, LED headlights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.